Yo. What you mean breaking? Okay, so what's happening? Oh, say what? Oh, so nobody know.
Stop the cap.
Okay, bet that. Yeah, I'm gonna tell the fam. I'm gonna tell them right now. As soon as I get on the phone with you, I'm gonna go ahead and tell them. So, that's the time. Okay, I got you. Appreciate you, homie. Appreciate you as always. Love the fam already. Hey, fam appreciate you. I appreciate you. Appreciate you for all the shocking news, man. But I'm gonna hit you as soon as I get done talking to the fam, and you know, we'll talk more about it. Say less. All right, one. I was told at 11:50 a.m. Eastern time, y'all better have 2 of them. YouTube family. Oh yeah, I thought we weren't gonna break the news, huh? I'm sure nobody know about this, right? What's going on with y'all, man? Your boy Jay is here, man. I had to hit y'all with an early one today, man. I had to let y'all know about some shocking news, man. I'm sure y'all already know though, man, but your boy Jay has to give it to y'all the Jay the Sneaker Guy way. You feel what I'm saying? So today, man, date is Thursday, man. If y'all remember that day of the week, Thursday, I mentioned it earlier in one of my videos, and I ain't gonna hold you. I ain't gonna sit up here and act like I knew I got a drop or nothing like that. I took a wild guess on one of my videos earlier this week when I did say I feel like potentially we'll get a shock drop on the cherries. If we do, it'll be sometime between Thursday and Friday. It just so happens that I was right and got lucky. You know your boy Jay done been wrong plenty of times, man, but I took an educated guess and bam, we got him, man. So yes, we done dropped the ball already. Shocking news. We got the Air Jordan 12s dropping today. I know y'all already know, man. They're supposed to be dropping at 12 p.m. Eastern time. And I don't know what time zone. I don't know what time zones you live in, but do the math. Like I said, it's 12 p.m. Eastern. So according to, you know what I'm saying, the rumors going around, you should see a notification from your sneakers app saying shock drop around 11:45, 15 minutes prior to that release, man. So like I said in the intro, man, y'all better get y'all phones ready. And I do want to talk to y'all as well as about this shoe, man. This shoe is not gonna be a shoe that you're gonna walk in the park with, you know what I'm saying, like you're gonna play around with. No, I think that this shoe is gonna do really good numbers. I'm not saying, you know what I'm saying, go out there and buy them resale or nothing like that. I'm just saying it might be a tough shoe to get for retail, you know what I'm saying. So holla at you, who you gotta holla at to go ahead and put in an entry for you on the sneakers app in your size if you want to secure a size, because I think when it comes to the release day, number one, I mean, it's a give or take, because this shoe is gonna be plentiful, y'all. Very much so plentiful, man, because this shoe is one of those shoes that did not get out there to the public, man. Previous shoes in the past, when you look at like Cherry 12s, Midnight Navy 4s, the list goes on, you know what I'm saying. A lot of other shoes, they got out early. There were thousands, man, I want to say thousands of early pairs that hit the street, were on the secondary market and stuff before those releases, due to, of course, you know, what's going on around the world, man. Recently there was a big heist in Chicago. I didn't talk to y'all about that, but I'm sure y'all seen it floating around. If you haven't, man, there was a big warehouse. They said it was over like $5 million worth of merchandise that was all in that warehouse, of a whole bunch of just stolen goods and stuff. A lot of Nike products, Adidas, just the list goes on, man. But on that note, like I was saying, the Jordan 12 cherries, they have been nowhere to be found, man. This shoe has been protected and under Nike's, I guess, security for since they've been produced, because nobody really had early pairs of these as they do with a lot of other shoes. Because even right now, man, we got early pairs of Midnight Navy 5s. Yep, y'all saw these yesterday. Jordan 4 olives. Y'all gonna see these soon, but we got them. But there's a lot of shoes floating around right now. As usual, like I said, y'all, this is something that happens year round. You know what I'm saying? Like, shoes get out, but like I was telling y'all, these Cherry 12s have not been out. So therefore, all the stores that planned on getting 120 pairs, 300 pairs, etc., they will be getting all their pairs, man. So that's a good sign, you know what I'm saying? Like, the stores that you have in your area that were predicted to get a lot of pairs, they still should get those pairs, because none of the pairs, up to my knowledge, man, you know what I'm saying, have been stolen, because like I said, there hasn't been no pairs floating around. So that might be a good thing. However, y'all, do not take that any lightly. You know what I'm saying? You still got to go after this shoe as hard as you can. We still got, you know, 2 weeks away. I'm kind of talking to y'all pre-released about this situation, you know what I'm saying, because we do have, like I said, the shot drop today and all that stuff. So hey, if you lucky, you can go ahead and secure your pair today. You won't have to worry about, you know, scrambling on release date, you know what I'm saying? So I wish good luck to everyone watching this video. Hopefully they do drop a large amount, which they should, because they got the pairs, bro. So I'm hearing that the numbers are up there. I don't want to give y'all no stock numbers or nothing like that, because your boy Jay doesn't believe in stock numbers. I believe in cop numbers. So with that being said, man, I need y'all to let me know if this is after the release, man. Let me know in the comment section, W or L, man. If you got a W, thumbs the video up. If you got an L, thumbs the video up, man. But yes, man, I need y'all to let me know down below, did y'all secure a pair, man? Hopefully y'all got that W, and let me know y'all doubling up on this shoe, man. This is another thing. Like, I feel like the demand on this shoe is much more, you know what I'm saying, higher than that of the Jordan 8 playoffs. And we seen recently what happened with the playoffs. Like, playoffs, bro, them joints got erased from stores, from shelves. They ain't even hit shelves. They was in the back. People came, got them. They put them on the shelf. They probably was gone as fast as they put them up there, you know what I'm saying? So I don't think that this shoe will be anything, you know what I'm saying, as far as, you know, people going back and forth about whether they want them or not, like the Jordan 8s, because hey, we know, man, the Jordan 12 silhouette, love it or hate it, bro, it is a popular silhouette that sells, man. I see right now, even the Jordan 12 field purples, give or take, they are still sitting in a couple areas, but that shoe is almost sold out in a lot of places, you know what I'm saying? Like, there are not too many field purple 12s sitting around, and that shoe is mid, bro, you know what I'm saying? But that just lets you know, man, people like Jordan 12s. And hey, this one is a shoe that people have wanted. I want to say, what, the last time we seen these was in I don't want to say 2013. I don't even, let me fact check that. So it was 2009, man. So it has been 14 years, man. 14 years since we seen this shoe, and people have had it just speaking up on it. We need cherries, we need cherries, we need cherries. This is a shoe that they have been playing with for years, y'all, and we finally getting them, man. So good luck to everybody trying to get them. And your boy does have some. If you want a couple of them, or if you want, you know, a pair or two or whatever, hit your boy up over on JTSG Closet on Instagram. I can go ahead and secure you a pair. But I will have a pair to show y'all here on the channel very soon. Maybe as soon as Saturday. I might do a, you know what I'm saying, an early look or something like that, Saturday or Sunday. Y'all let me know what day I need to drop that on, but I will have them here soon. But like I said, y'all, good luck to everybody trying to get those. This is just one of them shoes, man. This is one of them shoes, like I said, high demand, but there's also very high stock, man. But a lot of people are doubling up on these, and your boy Jay is one of them, you know what I'm saying? I need 2 of these right here, man. So y'all can mark me down for 2. Y'all can have the rest, but I need 2 cherries, man. But that is it, man. I just wanted to highlight y'all this morning. You know, I don't know when you're watching this video, but I just wanted to wish y'all the best of luck. I told y'all the time, 12 p.m. Eastern time. They will be dropping in a full family size. And for those who don't know the style of release, it will be a shot drop, which means that at 12 p.m. Eastern, Nike will go ahead and have the shoes available for purchase in a random selective style. Basically, it's like a draw where they pick your name, you know, but it's not gonna be a sneakers draw. It's just you enter in for the size, and you know, you're gonna go through the little generator, and it's gonna let you know if you got the shoe or not, you know what I'm saying? So it's one of those. If you don't have the sneakers app, you need to have the sneakers app downloaded on your phones or your iPads or whatever right now before that drop, you know what I'm saying? Make sure that all your payment info is up to date. Make sure your credit cards is straight, you know what I'm saying? Because You don't want to be like your boy Jay when it came to the Travis Scott 6s, and I got that notification saying that my payment was declined because I had the wrong card on file. So I was like, dang man, your boy hit on a pair of Travis Scott 6s back then, and that just hurt me to my heart, man. And I was like, I called Nike, I was like, bruh, can I give you a different card number? We're sorry, that shoe was sold out, etc, etc, you know what I'm saying? So good luck to y'all, man. Hey, like I said, man, thumbs the video up for your boy Jay. Talk to me down below in the comments, W or L. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day. I'm gonna probably drop something else later on tonight, man. We're gonna come back and we're gonna talk to y'all later tonight. So appreciate y'all. Let's get 1,000 likes before we come back later on tonight. That's what we need to do, you know what I'm saying? But good luck. I'm gonna catch up with y'all. Y'all be blessed. I'm out. Peace.